So identifying vertex and axis of symmetry from vertex form is going to be easier than standard form, but there is going to be something tricky about it, something you're going to have to remember. Vertex form is y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k, and the vertex is h comma k. This should look familiar to you because h and k are used in circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas. So we're used to that, but here's the thing with these. For circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas, we change the sign of h and k for our center for those. But for vertex form, we are only going to change the sign for h, not k. So let me make a note of that. Change sign from formula. Because of that minus sign. That minus sign is a part of the equation. So if it's x minus 2, like here, just the 2 part is the h. So if it's a plus, there was a double negative there that made that positive, so we change it back to the negative. We do not do that with the k because that is a plus sign, so there's nothing to change the sign. That's going to be the trickiest part of this, okay? But if we can remember that, I think we'll be okay. So the vertex here is going to be the change the sign of h, so make that 2. Do not change the sign of k. Or I'm sorry, I shouldn't have wrote k. Don't change the sign of k, but that is 10. So h and k, change the sign, don't change the sign. And then, of course, once we have the vertex, we have the axis of symmetry, a vertical line going through the vertex at the x value. So that is x equals 2. So I've got this already in Desmos. So I've got my equation right here in red. I've got my vertex here in blue right there. Then I've got my axis of symmetry here in green. So the vertex is where it needs to be. The axis of symmetry is going through the vertex, and it is symmetrical. It's a vertical line. Everything's good to go. So this can be checked in Desmos as well.